Right there on the clothesline. Oh my god, it's far away.
Oh wait, there it is.
Is your answer there?
Wait, what's the question?
No, not there.
That's cool.
What's your answer?
Now she's ready.
Look, Melissa, I got it.
Okay.
And it doesn't even... That's cool. It doesn't even show the black line.
On your second strike. One more.
It doesn't
and the
what?
other
It doesn't show like...
getting ready.
You know this
Oh,
thing?
this is right there.
It's right
if you-
there. It's right there. On top of the wind chime thing.
Where?
Okay. Oh my god. It just.
Oh, it's over there. It's over there. It's over there.
Is your answer there? Sorry. That's 3 strikes.
It's all the way over there.
Dude, zoom out so you can find it.
It's all the way right there. Now it's go. Oh, there it is.
Was that a good answer?
It flew in right there.
No, you didn't. So the other family keeps the point.
Move, 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 move.
Number 1 was
Loose change? That's the same thing as money.
number 3.
Food.
Number 4, please. You won the round. This is the 3rd round. Points count as
Hey, birdie, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just videotaping your ass.
or cold.
Where is it? Where'd it go?
Surveyed 100 people.
Where'd the birdie go?
Let's hear your answer.
Well, I think the bird's gone now.
How about that answer?
I caught this.
Sorry.
Is the bird gone now?
Can you give a better answer? Survey says
But I can hear some tweeting of a birdie. Birdie, I hear you tweeting.
let's play the feud.
Hey, just smile. Smile.
No, I don't want to do
Smile.
that. No.
What's your answer? Was that a good
Never.
answer? What's your answer? Was that a good answer? Now you got 2 strikes.
Where's the bird? Sophia, where's the bird?
I can't find it.
You can't find it?
What's your answer?
I'll try to.
Okay, you can stop recording now.